Yeah. My baby mama went celibate. Lies on my breath, she said she couldn't take the smell of it. Tired of the rumors, every room had an elephant. Tryna find her shoes, rummaging through the skeletons. She took away sex, took me out of my element. I tried to do the single dad mingle dance at the club with the iron in my wrinkled pants. You could fall much faster than you think you can. Big hands for my ring, I'ma need a Pringles can. I just want to shine back like a Eagles fan. My ego like, oh damn, there he go praying again, the same old thing. I mean, I ain't gon' promise that the pain go away. And you could take your sweet time, but she ain't gon' wait. Cause a new coat of paint don't make the stain go away. But he go high, and we go high. They go low, we go higher, higher. My wife nanny like Fern. 3 damn Grammys, my granny like no pressure. So much style, my stylist got no dresser. Fuck going straight to the pros, I'm professor. Fuck being one of the goats, I'm goat tanks. Tried to try that with my girl, she no thanks. Dropped a bomb, I couldn't find a Tom Hanks. Got me pressed trying to find Devon Frank. Who the fuck rocked the boat is gon' sink. Shooting at me point blank with those blanks. They don't take teenage angst at no banks. Try some new hues like Langston gon' paint. You gotta come harder than that. It's two different things. It's too bad, and it's so sad. It's too bad, and it's so sad. It's two things. It's too bad. We get a glory to you, God. One living true God. You make us booyah, throw up the woo like you, God.